Good morning everyone, welcome to Ignite India Education. An ID 2021 form is out now and you can fill form. In this video I will be discussing and I will be explaining you all the process, how you can fill, how you will sign up. Be with me till the end to know everything in detail. February 7th is the last date. Before that you need to fill your form and be careful because this is very important. You need to upload all your document carefully. So step 1 is sign up, and then step 2 is application form fill up. Step 3 is uploading documents. Step 4 will be payment and confirmation. After that you will get the confirmation on your mail. So in 2021 NID is offering for B Design. NID is offering B Design courses in NID Ahmedabad, NID Andhra Pradesh, NID Haryana, NID Madhya Pradesh and NID Assam. For Masters program in year 2021, NID is offering courses in Ahmedabad campus, Gandhinagar campus and Bengaluru campus. You can choose your center as per your rank and based on your choice of the course. Because of pandemic, this year exam will be conducted completely online or offline or mixed online and offline. So still NID is not sure how they are going to conduct the exam, but still they are planning and they are monitoring, they are evaluating the pandemic situation. Based on the situation they will take the decision and same will be conveyed on the NID website. So exams will be completely online or maybe they can take mixed online and offline. Your step 1 sign up form which you need to fill. In this you need to choose program of study, bachelor design or master's design. You can choose any one, whichever you want to apply, and then you need to choose your nationality, Indian, overseas, and then you need to choose the applying in the category general, EWS, OBC, NCLS, CST, RD. This is the confirmation window which you need to accept all your term and conditions, and then you need to submit the form. Similar way you need to fill your form completely and submit it. So these are the 4 steps which already I have explained. Everything is there on the NID website. You can check there. Also if you want to check, you can go to Ignite, you can download the Ignite India app and you can go to free study section. We have kept everything for you, previous year test papers, all the certificate format, everything is there in the study material, free study material section, NID admission 2021. And these are the all certificate formats, admission booklet, everything is available for you, and you need to go there, and if you want you can check, you can download, you can use it, and this will be helpful for you. We have kept mock test paper also, we have kept all the admission brochures, so you can download the app. Also you can check other study material which is available there for your preparation of NID 2021 exam. Thank you for watching. Good luck.